everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Amalia, you can call me Lia. I'm from PGRI University at Yogyakarta, majoring Indonesian language, literature, education. I'm currently in 5th semester. Here, I will answer several questions from assignment final exam. This is intended fulfill assignment given by bilingual literature. Alright, let's get started. I think English is a necessity in this global world. Almost all jobs require English. I really like English. For me, it is very important to learn English as a daily language for communication with the outside world. I learn English by using gadgets. My English skill can be considered not very good. There are some English words that I don't understand yet. However, I can understand basic phrases like how are you or what do you during this holiday, but I continue started to deepen my knowledge for English. I think most Indonesians struggle to speak English for basic conversation because of limited exposure to the language in daily life. English is not really used outside from formal education settings, so opportunities to practice are minimal. Additionally, some people may feel insecure or lack confidence in their pronouns or grammar. Culture factor, such as strongest focus on local language, and the quality of English teacher in the school, which sometimes emphasizing theory over practice, also contribute to this challenge. Alright, last question. Yes, I believe English will play a significant role in my future. As an international language, English is essential for access global information, expanding career opportunities, and connection with people from different cultures. In my field as a future educator, mastering English will help me access educational resources, attend international conversation, and practically teach a bilingual or global context. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next video. Goodbye everyone.